Yeah, so today I'm testing one of my favourite outboards of all times. It's a Tohatsu 9.8 horsepower two-stroke. This is a short shaft. They're only 26 kilograms and yeah, they go so well. It's on a fiberglass boat, 10 foot and twin hull. That's just a dinghy, very poor hull shape on this boat. For speed, that is. Anyway, I do have a GPS here. You can see at the moment, top speed 0.8 kilometers an hour as we're just drifting along a bit. If you hear rattling and stuff, it's these things. They're all over this boat up the front. Anyway, that's what the rattling is as we go along. Nice quiet motors. What an animal. Turn it off. There we go. What do we get? Not bad. It's 35 k's an hour top speed. Yeah, so I know for a fact when I've had these things on aluminium boats, they're up around 42, 43 k's an hour on a better shaped boat. Anyway, just good to know. Cheers.